Good evening, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something simple yet powerful: growth. Not the kind that happens by accident, but the kind you commit to every single day. Growth isn't about giant leaps, it's about daily steps. Small, consistent efforts that shape us into the best version of ourselves. We live in a world that often celebrates overnight success, but real progress lies in the things we do when no one is watching. It's in the books we read, the mistakes we reflect on, the conversations that stretch our thinking, and the quiet moments where we choose discipline over comfort. When we decide to grow daily, we stop waiting for perfect conditions. We become intentional learners, compassionate listeners, and resilient warriors. Each day becomes an opportunity, not just to achieve, but to become. So ask yourself, what did I learn today? How did I improve even slightly? Because growth is not a finish line, it's a daily decision. Make that decision today, and then make it again tomorrow. So often, we associate growth with milestones, graduating, getting a job, hitting a goal weight, learning a new skill. But real growth doesn't happen in these singular standout moments. No, it happens quietly, behind the scenes, in the day-to-day decisions we make. It's the choice to wake up a little earlier to read. It's the decision to listen more and talk less. It's the willingness to ask difficult questions, to challenge your own assumptions, and to admit when you're wrong. These aren't glamorous actions, and they don't come with applause, but they are the building blocks of transformation. Choosing to grow daily means you accept that who you are today doesn't have to be who you are tomorrow. You realize that every day is a fresh opportunity to evolve, to improve, and to move forward, even if just by a fraction of an inch. It's not about being perfect or even being great. It's about being better than you were yesterday. That improvement might be invisible to others, but it matters deeply to your personal journey. More importantly, growth as a daily decision removes the pressure to be extraordinary all at once. You don't have to figure everything out today. You just have to choose in this moment to take one more step forward. To say, I will try again, or I will do better this time. When you adopt that mindset, you stop living reactively and start living intentionally. Growth becomes less about outcomes and more about your character. It becomes a habit, a lifestyle, something that no one can take from you, because it's rooted in your daily commitment, not your external circumstances. In a world that celebrates rapid transformations and instant results, it's easy to underestimate the power of small steps. We often hear about the big breakthroughs, those life-changing moments that seem to come out of nowhere. But what we rarely see is the countless tiny actions that preceded those breakthroughs. Every giant leap begins with a small, consistent step. The quiet choices, the unnoticed habits, the incremental progress, these are the true engines of change. Think about how a single drop of water, over time, can carve through rock. It doesn't happen all at once. It's the accumulation of countless tiny drops, falling over and over again, gradually shaping the rock in ways that would seem impossible with a single drop. Similarly, in our own lives, we don't need dramatic movements of change to make a difference. What we need is the willingness to take small actions day after day. These might seem insignificant in the moment. A 10-minute workout, a single chapter read, a single act of kindness. But collectively, they build momentum. Over time, they start to compound. These small steps also help to keep us grounded. When we focus on the journey, rather than obsessing over the destination, we shift our attention to what we can control. Our effort, our attitude, our approach. It's in these daily manageable actions that we start to see growth that is both sustainable and meaningful. A big goal can feel overwhelming, even paralyzing at times. But when you break it down into smaller, actionable steps, it becomes far more approachable. These small wins, these everyday victories, are what keep us going. The beauty of small steps is that they don't require extraordinary amounts of effort, willpower, or even talent. They require only consistency and a willingness to keep going, even when you can't see immediate results. Small steps allow you to build a routine, make progress even on your toughest days, and keep the momentum going when bigger goals feel out of reach. Every time you decide to take that small step, whether it's getting out of bed when you're tired or saying no to something that doesn't serve you, you are reinforcing a mindset of growth. Growth doesn't happen by chance, and it certainly doesn't happen without effort. To truly grow, you must approach each day with intentionality, the conscious decision to take purposeful actions that align with your goals, values, and vision for the future. Intentionality means being deliberate about how you use your time, where you invest your energy, and who you choose to surround yourself with. It's about deciding every day that you will actively shape your experiences rather than simply letting life happen to you. Being intentional doesn't mean you have to plan every second of your day or have every move meticulously mapped out. It's about setting a clear direction and ensuring that your actions align with that direction. This could be something as simple as taking a few minutes in the morning to prioritize your tasks, reflecting on your progress at the end of the day, or carving out time for self-care and learning. It's about not leaving your growth to chance, but taking control of the factors that influence it. Intentionality also means being mindful of where you're investing your attention. In a world full of distractions, we often end up giving our focus to things that don't serve us or our goals. Social media, endless notifications, and even well-meaning people can easily pull us off course. To grow daily, we must actively decide where we place our focus. What conversations are worth your time? What activities help you grow? What content are you consuming, and how is it shaping your mindset? Intentionality extends to how you approach challenges as well. It's easy to fall into the trap of reacting to life's obstacles, feeling overwhelmed by circumstances beyond our control. But intentional growth requires us to shift from a reactive mindset to a proactive one. Instead of letting challenges dictate your response, you choose how you'll engage with them. Will you see setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow? Will you embrace discomfort as part of the process, rather than avoiding it? Moreover, when you live intentionally, you begin to recognize that growth isn't just about doing more, it's about doing what matters. It's not about keeping busy for the sake of being busy. It's about directing your energy toward meaningful pursuits that contribute to your personal and professional development. The more intentional you are with your choices, the more aligned your actions become with your long-term vision, and the more likely it is that you'll experience lasting growth. Motivation is often celebrated as the spark that ignites action. We hear people say, find your passion or follow your inspiration, assuming that once motivation hits, everything will fall into place. But the truth is, motivation is fleeting. It ebbs and flows, driven by external factors. How we feel, what's happening around us, or how inspired we are in the moment. Relying solely on motivation to fuel your growth is like trying to sail with the wind at your back, waiting for perfect conditions. Unfortunately, those perfect conditions don't always arrive when we need them the most. This is where discipline steps in. Discipline is the force that keeps us going when motivation fades. It's the quiet, steady strength that drives you to show up, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is the habit of doing the work regardless of whether you're inspired, excited, or even in the mood to act. It's about making a commitment to yourself and sticking to it even when it feels difficult or inconvenient. Unlike motivation, which comes and goes, discipline is a choice you make each day to push through resistance and continue making progress, no matter how small. The key to understanding the power of discipline is recognizing that it builds momentum. Initially, the work may feel like an uphill battle. You might not see immediate results, and there may be days when you wonder if it's all worth it. But discipline allows you to keep showing up, to keep practicing, to keep moving forward, even when the road is tough. Over time, those small, consistent actions add up, and the process becomes a habit. The more disciplined you are, the less reliant you become on motivation, because you've trained your mind and body to perform even in challenging circumstances. Think about a successful athlete, for instance.